Hi, Elaine here with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this yummy ice cream card with the Share a Milkshake bundle. All right, here is my cute stacked ice cream card using the Share a Milkshake bundle, which includes this stamp set and these dies. And you have this super fun crisscross and waffle cone and some extra hearts and then some dies to cut out the images. And then there's some cute sentiments too. So for this card, I started off with a basic white card base, and I used some of I've cut 2 stitched rectangles with the stitched rectangle dies. And this one is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th largest. And this one is the 3rd largest. So 3rd and 5th. I'm also going to use this one right here for the sentiment, and I'm going to do a little shortening trick that I'm going to show you. But first, I'm just going to stamp some hearts on the card in Melon Mambo. So I'm going to cut out the cone and some of the ice cream and the sentiment. And to cut the sentiment, I'm going to do a little trick. Actually, this is the reverse of what it should be. You're going to place your die where you want it to end on the right. And you're going to have this perpendicular here, right in line. And then you're going to place your plate just close to the end, but not all the way to the end, so it doesn't cut off the end. So now you're going to do a similar thing on the other side. You're going to place the die where you want it by the C, and then because it has stitching in it, you want to place it so the stitches are lined up, and you'll notice when they're lined up because it'll be because it will hold in place. So we're going to line everything up. Okay, now I have all my little pieces cut out. So you can see we shortened the die to just fit the Celebrate. And for the waffle cone, I'm just going to trim. I'm just going to carefully trim these 2 sides off because I just want it to be an ice cream cone. So now I can put the card together. The last step is to add some of these pastel adhesive back sequins. You have 1 sheet of little sequins and 1 sheet of large sequins. So I'm just going to take 1 of the large sequins and 2 of the little sequins. And there is my Share a Milkshake ice cream cone card. Get this card kit for free when you purchase the Share a Milkshake bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit.